Hi, I'm Chris Ward, Senior Applications Engineer with Fenner. Fenner is a market leader in polyurethane belting with a focus on motion control and power transmission. Over the last 30 years, we have developed a portfolio of belts where longevity, quality and accuracy are critical to our customers. Recently, Fenner launched an Eagle Poly-V belt. This Poly-V belt is constructed from nylon reinforcements with a polyurethane binder, where the industry norm seems to be a rubber over nylon reinforcement. How do I know that Eagle Poly-V belt will give me the results that I'm looking for? Obviously, before we launched this product, we did some significant in-house testing, both dynamically and statically. Real proof of the pudding is when you put it out into industry. What we decided to do was partner with one of the world leaders in the logistics industry, where they did a 4-month test comparing Eagle Poly-Vs to rubber alternatives. During this 4-month time frame, 317 rubber Poly-V belts needed to be replaced. In the same time frame, 0 Eagle Poly-V belts were replaced. This not only saves money in the actual replacement of the product, but through lost downtime and lost production in changing over the belts. The product was checked on a weekly basis and there were no visible changes to the product and no visible signs of wear. This is just one isolated test, but we are seeing that as the product progresses, we're getting similar results throughout the industry. Thank you for watching our series of Eagle Poly-V videos. Hopefully I've answered most of the questions that you have. If I haven't, please feel free to reach out to us and we would be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have.